I'm going to see if some sunglasses like these can withstand an airsoft gun. So, let's get into it. Keep in mind that you always want to wear safety glasses when doing this kind of stuff. So yeah. And by the way, I'm only going to shoot the lenses of the glasses. So yeah. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is what the damage looks like. As you can see, we have like 3 cracks in there. And then one of the lenses fell out, but you could also break it in half, just like that. So yeah. Would BBs or airsoft gun penetrate this? Yes, but would the person or the eye be damaged? No. So in an airsoft war, you will survive or not get an injury. So please like, subscribe, and enjoy more of my videos.